Yep, this is California right now. My windshield wipers for 5 seconds. Oh, now I can't see. Oh shit. Yep. It's bad. How do you feel?
Well, today's forecast seems to be very unlikely to be a good day. Thanks, fucking Cali.
Agreed. Deeply. I was gonna go, do a motivated run today. Really. But I don't want to get amnesia or ammonia, not amnesia.
You can do a motivated run in your sleep now.
Yeah, I'll do it on the Xbox 360. That's my motivated run. Oh, motherfucker! The car just cut me off. Bitch! But yeah, this is California right now. It's, oh shit. Alright, well, there you go, Tumblr people. This is the rain for you.